Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of What's in My Gym Bag. Now, this is not going to be a full breakdown of my gym bag. We just got one new product I want to show y'all, the PROTECHT wrist straps. Now, you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. Now, these are not your average wrist straps, okay? Y'all remember the bear grips? These are actually wrist straps that allow you to use your Apple Watch, your Galaxy Watch, or whatever kind of fitness tracker you got. Now, let me show you where I found this at. I was breezing through Instagram. I got an ad for PROTECHT wraps. Okay, so I checked them out. Look at this. You got wrist straps that now let you use your Apple Watch. Now, that was one of my biggest dilemmas because I love using wrist straps. But sometimes you got to make a choice. Do you want to use your watch in the gym or do you want to use your straps? I want to use both. Okay, so this looks like the solution right here. So let's take it over to protechwraps.com. Okay, let's check them out. Keep tracking no matter how heavy you lift. Okay, so if you like to track your workouts, now you don't have to make that choice. This looks pretty dope. Now the price on this one for the set is $53.99. Now they also have the PROTECHT patch for $15. So let's go ahead and check these out. Oh, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. Now, this is going to be a two-part video. I'm going to unbox these right now. Then I'm heading over to the gym. I'm going to get a full workout. I'm going to take my Ray-Ban glasses with me so we can get some footage in the gym. And I'll see how these actually work. Okay, so let's grab the John Wick special. Here we go. Hold on a second. Let me cover up my address on this. Right. Okay. PROTECHT wrist wraps. Okay. Got a little card right here. You know what I'm saying? I'll read that later. Thank you from PROTECHT. Okay. Now this is going to be the PROTECHT patch. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got the straps. Okay. Nice little presentation right here. Let's see how this works. Let's see, validated wrist stability. Let's see. Now, I got to tell you a quick true story. I'm back here without my glasses on since I'm going to the gym. Bro, I can't even read this. Did I say validated wrist stability? No more lost fitness data. This is how you know you're getting old when you got to use your finger to read, bro. Bro, this is crazy. All right, let's see. Watch wearable protection. Okay. So this is going to be the actual strap. This is going to be for the watch arm. And this should be the secondary strap. Okay, let's see. Now this was, I kind of unboxed this pretty savagely. Let's see. Superior quality. Okay. Personalized comfort and support. This is so crazy. Bro, I am so old. It's crazy. All right, so here it is. A nice little picture of somebody rocking it in the gym. Okay, but most importantly, how do these fit? Now let's try the non-wrist strap, the non-watch wrist first. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to do this from behind the camera real quick because basically you need two hands to put this on. Okay, so you're just going to put your thumb in. Now it has two thumb hooks, so this way if you're right or left-handed, you can switch them around. You're going to put this in and just pull it around. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I just put these on my wrist. And ladies and gentlemen, this is an official game changer right here. Now here's the right side. Okay. Regular wrist strap, extra sturdy. Wrist ain't moving around when you're lifting those heavy weights. But look at the other side. Now I'm rocking a wrist strap and my Apple Watch at the same time. Now personally, I like to use this to change my music in the gym. Now I don't have to make a choice. I can use wrist straps and my Apple Watch at the same time. And it is super sturdy. Okay, look at that Velcro right there. These are not moving around anywhere. Check that out. Now let me try the PROTECHT patch. Let me go ahead and open this up real quick. All right, check this out. Now this is the PROTECHT patch. Okay, it has Velcro on each side. And now you can just cover up your watch. So this way you don't bang it against the bar. If you're going to do some extra physical activities, put this on. But I'm probably going to leave this in the locker and just be able to rock my Apple Watch and the wrist straps at the same time. This is pretty epic. Now I want to show y'all one more thing before we make a move to the gym. All right, so I tried the straps with the Apple Watch Ultra, which is one of the biggest watches, but there's one watch face that's actually bigger, the Galaxy Watch, okay, with the diamond bezel on it, and it still fits perfectly. So that means this is going to fit your Fitbit, your Apple Watch Series 8, Series 7, Series 6, all of your Galaxy watches, whatever sports watch you wear, this is going to fit. This is pretty dope. Now to take it off, just unstrap it. Okay, slide it right out. Same thing for the other side. Like I said, you got multiple hooks, so this way if you want to flip them around and wear your watch in your right hand, you could do that too. These look pretty sick. All right, so let's take them to the gym and put them through the paces. All right, so you've seen the video for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, these are an official game changer. Now, I'm not even trying to be a hype beast. These have changed my workout game for good. First of all, I love how these come in black. Okay, so you're not going to get this dirty look in between wash cycles. They're always going to stay the same. Let's talk about how they actually work. As far as support, if you ever had a wrist injury, you know the wrist injuries are nothing you want to play with. So whenever I'm doing my hardcore heavyweight workouts, I got to protect my wrists. These are going to give you maximum support. They feel extra sturdy, okay? No movement at all. Easy to take on and off. They look great. But most importantly, being able to use my Apple Watch and my wrist straps at the same time, this is so clutch. Now, don't laugh at me, but I never work out and use the Apple Watch for the workout programs. But I did it today, and I was able to check my heart rate in between sets, because when I'm working out, I want my heart rate to be around between 100 and 130. I want it to stay around that range. I don't want it to drop underneath 100. That means I'm bullshitting in the gym. So being able to just look at my wrist and see my heart rate is at 99, 100. Okay, time to do another set. When it goes up to 120, 130, let me take a break. When it goes back down to 99, do another set. This is so clutch. Now, I thought I was only going to be using it to change my music, but also being able to look at the time. Okay? Now, I'm one of those people that I hate going to the gym and using my phone. And I hate when I see other people in the gym. You know, you're trying to work out. People in the gym, they just scrolling through Instagram. They just bullshitting. No, I don't play no games when I go to the gym. I want to be in and out within 1 hour. Now, my gym is on Union Turnpike, so I got to pay for parking. So being able to just pay for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then while I'm working out, being able to check the elapsed time, that was so clutch. Not to mention somebody else already asked me where did I get these from, because these are just so dope. If you wear wrist straps in the gym, you're going to appreciate this. Now, the only thing I didn't like was, you see how you got the two straps? So you can wear these on either arm. I got OCD, so I didn't like to have the strap flapping around. You could probably cut this off if you want, but what I did was I just tucked it in. Okay, just like that. Tucked them in on both sides. Now they look nice and uniform. Now, as far as the other piece, you could use this if you want. I don't really see the need for this one. I guess if you're working out outside, you might want to protect your Apple Watch, but I don't think I'm ever going to use this. It might just be a nice touch. Who knows? I might just wear it when I first get into the gym, but I'm going to rock these just like this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving these a major go. These are now my official new workout straps. Y'all see I'm still using the Nike Alpha Grips. Now, I've been using these for about, I don't know, the last 10 years. People have been asking me to do an updated video on what's in my gym bag. And my motto is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now, the Bear Grips, they not broke. But when you got something like this now that comes along with innovation, it's time to upgrade. As far as the Alpha Grips, I use these, like I said, for the last 10 years. These will keep you from getting those calluses on your hands if you do heavy weights. I hate working out with gloves on. So if you work out with heavy weights, wear some Nike Alpha Grips. All right, keep the calluses to a minimum. You don't want to get home and start rubbing your girl's back and it's going to feel like brittle pads. All right, you don't want that. All right, shoes, can you calm down? You're not going to want that. So the Nike Alpha Grips, these are still in my gym bag. I still got the poopery, just in case you got to take an emergency dump in the gym. Have some courtesy. But the PROTECHT wrist wraps, these are now my official new wraps. Let me take them off real quick. All right, so to take them off, this is how I notice. I just slide them off like this. All right, shoes, you got lucky because I was getting ready to file shoes up out of here. I like to leave them like this. Take it off just like this. Now for this side, shoes, calm down. For this side, same thing. I don't have to take this all the way out. Take this off just like this and put it back in my gym bag with the rips, with the Nike Alpha Grips. Now let me talk about one more thing too, as far as the comfort wearing the Apple Watch. I thought it was gonna feel like it's squeezing down on the watch strap, making it uncomfortable. I did not notice it at all. Didn't notice it at all. Okay, so when you want to put them back on, open this up. Like I said, you don't have to take this all the way out. Look at this. Just slide it on just like that. Slide the thumb in. Okay, make sure you line it up. Boom, look at that. Just like that, and just tuck this part in or cut it off if you want and keep it moving. This is so dope. Like I said, this is an official game changer. Anyway, these are the PROTECHT wrist straps. Okay? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And if y'all want to see an updated video of what's really in my gym bag, like I said, I could do that. It's pretty much the same stuff, though. I really haven't got anything new, maybe just different headphones and all that kind of stuff. But, yeah, this is a nice little touch right here. Let me see. I might use these to, let's see. I want to take these off. Okay. Now, personally, I don't want this to come out. I want to just slide it off like that. Let's see. Maybe I can use these to keep them together in my bag. Oh, look at that. Use them to, I can use the Velcro to keep them together in my bag, just like that, and rock out. All right, so these are from PROTECHT, $53.99. Okay, these are the perfect gift for if you know that guy that likes to work out. This is, I'm telling, I don't want to sound like I'm overhyping these, but just being able to use my watch at the same time. You know how many times I went to the gym and changed my clothes and I'm walking out and I got my beer straps and I got the Nike grips and my towel in my hand and I realized I forgot to take my Apple Watch off. I got to go all the way back to the locker and put it back in or put this in my pocket because you can't wear these and this at the same time. It's impossible. Now you can wear both. Anyway, PROTECHT wrist straps. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock wanted to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.